Hey guys, Jaxer here, Free Auto Mechanic. I'm here to remind you to double check your work. Reason being, I myself fall to it just the same as anybody else. A couple videos ago, I did some stabilizer bar links, and about 10 minutes and 38 seconds in, you can see an error that I made that I want to thank Brian McLean for pointing out to me. But I'm going to go ahead and take care of that today. And what I did was I didn't follow my own instructions in making sure that I put back the metal washers and bushings in the same way that I took it apart. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you take a quick look, you probably already noticed it already since I mentioned it. But in case you didn't, I got a metal washer, then a rubber bushing, then a metal washer. And if you go down to the bottom, you can see that I've got this rubber bushing and that metal washer in the wrong spots. They need to be reversed. I didn't catch it. Again, thank you, Brian, for pointing that out. I'm going to go ahead and take that back apart, put it on there correct, and then we should be back in business. And it looks like it shoved this metal tube right through the center of the rubber. So I'll put that in a vise to work that off of there. I just chalked it up in this vise. Got a pair of channel locks and just very gently grab hold of it. Rotate it up off of there. There we go. Now we just have to put it back in the right order. See, we have the washer, then the rubber snubber, or the bushing. Put the bushing on next, and the washer. And our metal spacer. Metal washer. Spacer. And that's how it's supposed to look. So now we've got that remedied, I'll go ahead and tighten it back up. And if I would have double checked my work when I did it the first time, I'd have saved all the time of taking it back apart. But it's important in life to own your mistakes. And it's okay to make mistakes as long as you correct them. Try and learn from them. And try not to repeat them. So you can see it might have only taken me a few minutes to correct, but it could have all been avoided if I would have double checked the work myself. Thankfully, we've got it taken care of and put back together, and we can get us back on the road. As always, thanks for watching.